everybody, so I'm here to show you how to share your link to your Jamboard from your Jamboard. So you finished your collage, you're going to come up here to the blue button that says share. You're going to click it. And then you're going to click copy link. Okay, copy link. And then you're going to come over to Verge. You're going to go to your class. You're going to click resources. Open this week's folder. Open resource 12 and click answer assignment. When you click answer assignment, it's going to open up a new box for you to type in. Okay, so we're going to go right here and we're going to paste our link. And the way we do that is by pressing the control button. It says CTRL on your computer, so you're going to click and hold that and then press the letter V, Control V. And now I've shared my link and I can come down here and click submit. All right, I can't wait to see everyone's Jamboards.